Dan is the king of high-ticket sales, and he is a masterful entrepreneur.
That's what I love about Dan, no BS.
Dan is an exceptional leader, teacher, business mentor, and friend.
Dan's a force of nature.
$12 million in my pocket is what I believe I would have above and beyond what I've made in the last 10 years alone, had I found Dan Lok sooner.
How do you make money with books? Today I'm going to teach you 7 ways to make money with books. Notice I didn't say make money from books, because you don't make money from books. Each book that you sell, you might make $1, you might make 50 cents. It's very, very little. But you can make a lot of money from books. Number 1, you could convert your book into different languages. What we've done is we've sold the publishing rights for, let's say, this book, Unlock It, to different international publishers. So we get paid not just upfront, but also royalties for every book that's being sold. Number 2, you could also convert your book into an audio book that you could sell on audible.com. Because some people prefer to listen to a book instead of reading a book, and your best customers, your best fans of your work, they want both. They like to read your book, but they also want to listen to your book. Number 3, you could turn your book into an online course. For those who want to go more in-depth with you, you could cover materials that you didn't have an opportunity to cover in a book. You could do so much more with an online course. Number 4, you could turn your book into a coaching program. For those who want more hand-holding, they need help with implementation, they would buy your coaching program. You could also turn your book into an event, into a seminar where you could teach it through a 1-day or 2-day or 3-day event. Number 6, you could also turn your book into a licensing program. So other people could make money teaching what you teach within the book based on a curriculum. A lot of people have done this. A lot of authors have done this in the corporate world. And number 7, you could also create a signature talk based on your book, and you could charge a speaking fee for it. So those are the 7 ways you can make money with books. Until then, go high ticket.